Good day my friend, in today's video I will show you how to remove the tartar that's at the bottom of your toilet. So suppose your toilets are more or less like this one, so what we'll start to do is remove the water from inside. So use whatever you have on hand just to make it dry. Now that our toilets are completely empty, we're gonna place 3 good tablespoons of bicarbonate inside, and then we're gonna fill the entire toilet with white vinegar. Now all you need to do is to let it rest between 12 to 24 hours. Then using something in wood or something in plastic, you just loosen a bit the dirt and flush. That's it, it's now clean as you can see. As I said, you might need to help yourself with something in wood or stuff like that to make it a bit loose, and that's it. Flush and it's done. Okay, so now your turn to do it, and that will be it. I hope that you have liked the video, and if you did, well, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see each other in the next video. Take care.